Hey viewers, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a newsletter on Mailchimp. So the first step here that we're going to do, basically open your browser and then go to Mailchimp website. Now to get us started, you have two options here at the top right of your screen. Basically, if you want to log in with your current account or if you want to sign up for a new account. So basically, if you're going to click on login button, then here you just have to enter the username or email and then your password, then click login. But in this case, I'm going to just sign up for a new account. So once you click on the sign up button, then here, as you can see, you can select any of the subscription plan if you want to just subscribe into a premium plan, for example. You just need $175 per month for 12 months. On standard plan, we have $10 a month. Essentials, we have $6.50 a month. Or you want to sign up for free. So if you're going to scroll down, you'll find here some advantages if you're going to select any of the subscription. So you should check the benefits that you can get on any of the different subscription plans. So if you're going to select the standard, so just click on buy now button and you just have to enter all the informations here. But in this sample, I'm going to just select the free options or sign up for free. So I'm going to click this button here to get us started. So as you can see, I need to enter my business email and then username and also the password. So for example, I'm going to enter my email and this will be my username. Okay, and then I'm going to input the password. So I will create a new password right here. So you just need to check the requirements. So we're going to add one special character. All right, so once done, as you can see on this box, you can just check this one. I don't want to receive emails about Mailchimp and related Intuit product and feature updates, marketing best practices, and promotions from Mailchimp. When I check in the box, I agree to opted in by default. All right, so I'm going to check that one and then click on sign up button. Now we will now brought to the next page, as you can see right here. So we need to check your email. So we've sent a message to that email with a link to activate your account. So open the Gmail. So this is the confirmation email. So all you need to do is basically click on the activate account button. And then you will now go to the next page. So here on this page, basically it will ask you some of the questions that they need to create a style for your design. So here, tell us a bit about you. So you can basically add your first name, last name, business name, and phone number. So once done here, you just need to click on the next button. Now from here, as you can see, what's your business address? So you can add your address right here, street address or post office box, city, state, zip, and your country. So basically, I'm going to just add a random address right here and then click on the next button. Now, on this next question, what's your top goal with MailChimp? Here you have three choices: drive sales, revenue, or conversions, send emails people find helpful or entertaining, or grow my list of email subscribers. So in this case, I'm going to select the second one, send emails people find helpful or entertaining, and then click on next. So what are the most important features for your business? So we have some selections here. You can basically select multiple selection. So for example, you can choose email templates, SMS marketing, forms and landing pages, AI generated content, Azure or CRM, advanced reporting, automations, optimize send times, contact segmentations, or A/B testing. So I'm going to select this email templates and also this forms and landing pages. Next, how many email contacts do you have? You can select your contact range right here. So click on the drop down menu, right? And I'm going to select this one, then click next. Now here, how do you sell to your customers? So basically, you just have to select any of this one if you are going to sell your own website, physical location, online marketplaces, consultation process, or social media. So I'm going to sell on social media. So I'm going to select this one. Now on the next page, as you can see, import your brand. You can basically add your website URL if you have already a website. So just click skip if you don't have yet. And as you can see, determining next steps. Now confirm your industry. So basically select here. So for example, I'm going to just search for like a software publishers right there. Then click confirm. So there you have it. Now you just need to choose a plan. For example, here we have premium, we have standard with a free trial for 1 month, and also the essentials plan. So if I'm going to select the standard, as you can see here, we have the free for 1 month. So I'm going to click on start free trial. Then you can basically select here if you want the credit card or if you want to use your PayPal account. If you want to use your credit card, basically just have to enter your card number, expiration date, and also the CVV. And then as you can see the purchase summary, so you don't have to pay. And then you just have to click on the pay now button. But in this case, I'm going to just select this continue for free, right? So as you can see, preparing your account, wrangling data, personalizing your setup, and then generating recommendations. So we have to wait for a few seconds. Now, you'll now taken into your main dashboard. So as you can see, we have a lot of options on the left panel. We have campaigns, automations, audience analytics, website, content, and integrations. Now, if you're going to select any of the options, for example, if you want to create campaigns, you can create here some SMS campaigns, or if you're going to select the like automations, or if you're going to select this all campaigns right here, you can basically create another one. Then you can go to website. You can create your own website here, start designing your own website, or going to content. So because I'm going to create a newsletter, I'm going to select this email templates right here. Now you'll be taken into this page. So you don't have any saved templates. So we're going to create template right there at the top right. Now on the next page here, as you can see, you can basically select any of the templates that you can use. Or if you're going to select the content studio right there at the top right, so you can basically select or just pick all the uploaded images or products from any of your content from Instagram or from your computer. So in this case, I'm going to create a new template right here for my newsletter. So as you can see, we have a bunch of templates that you can basically use for free. And we have here some of the options like the Mailchimp templates. We have also save templates, resend, send emails, draft emails, and code your own. And you can also change the category. For example, if you want like a announcement letters, and then you can change the industry, what topic you want, for example, technology, and the style if you want like basic, bold, colorful, dark, like minimalist. So I'm going to select this minimalist right there. And you can also toggle on this one if you want to just show all the free templates. So right here at the top right. All right, so I'm going to select this free template here. So just click on the apply button. There you have it. Then name your template. So basically, I'm going to name this as like newsletter first. There you have it. Then click on save button. Now you'll now be taken into the editor. So as you can see, we have a lot of options here. So basically, if you want to edit some elements, just click the elements on the page. For example, here, if you're going to change the logo, just click on the logo element right here. And it will show you these options on the left side. You can set the logo. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And you can also customize the alignment and also the size of the logo that you want to enter or put in into your newsletter. So I just want like a smaller logo right here, right? So you just have to grab the corners of the image so you can basically adjust the size of the logo. And here you can change the text right here. Just click this one and you can basically change this. So for example, I'm going to type here, welcome to my newsletter, and then an exclamation point. There you have it. And then options right there shows up. You can basically change the font color. So there you have it. If you want some like light colors right here. And then basically you can also change the paragraph text right here. So just select that and you can make it bold, italic, underlined, or like strike through. Or you can basically add some links, the alignments, text direction, line height, the letter spacing, and you can also add bullet list or numbered list. So basically, you can just customize the text. You can change the font style. For example, going to change into a comic style. And also the heading right here, going to change into a comic style. So there you have it. Now, next one, we're going to select this image and we're going to change the image. You just need to click on add. So you can basically add or upload image from your computer. So you just have to upload it right over here. And then you can also add some Giphy or like GIFs or like from your Instagram. So for example, I'm going to search for a game GIFs. So as you can see, we have just added some image. So basically here, you can just customize or edit the size of the image. And here you can also add some details like you can add a link, your web link or email link. And you can also basically change the alignment or you can just basically change the color background. So right from here. So it's depending on your preference. And basically here on the footer text, you can change the layout. And also, for example, we can add some content. We have like button. So I would like to add button. So drag and drop the button right from here. So there you have it. Now I'm going to change this button text. So basically just have to select the text and I'm going to change into like this one. So like try this. So basically you can link also your email, phone or file or a web. You can basically enter the URL link on the box and you can change the alignment, the shape, and also we can basically delete the other button here. There you have it. And also we can add some social links. You can add Facebook links, Instagram, or your X account, or you can add some email or some of your YouTube account right there. And you can also change the social style or icon style. So just like this. So I want this one and also the size or the color. So basically I want it like the color, the natural color of the social media icons. So there you have it. So you can add some content here like video or like social links, survey, code, apps, products, or product heading or like go to layout and you can also change the layout of your newsletter. You can go right here also on styles. So you can change the email, text, links, buttons, or divider. So just input here any details about your emails and also the buttons. So there you have it, and the button size and the button color. So you can customize it through and you can change the button color like this one. So I want it like more on like purple right there. Okay, it's like pinkish red something. Then going to the other options here. So once done creating your newsletter, you can just preview this one. So click on preview at the top right and you can just check the mobile view or the desktop view right here. And you can also check the inbox view. So there you have it. We have the inbox preview. And once you've done creating and customizing your newsletter, so all you need to do is click on the save and exit button at the top right to save it to your account. So once you save this newsletter, you now go back to your main dashboard. So we have to wait here for a few seconds, basically loading the page. And we can now set up the email. So right from here, so here is the newsletter. So click this one, or maybe click on the options at the right side, and you can just click on create email. So if you want to send it to someone or any business or company that want to send this newsletter, basically you just have to set up like the title, subject, or any options here or information to send this newsletter to someone. So that's how you basically create newsletter on Mailchimp. So thank you for watching. So see you on the next video.